Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for those that follow me on social media, you would have seen that I'm rebuilding my home studio. Now, yes, obviously I do a lot of editing for YouTube. I also do radio shows for a local radio station, and a few dotted around. I do my own show on Mixcloud. So part of the process is I've housed my computer in a cabinet, but obviously I have some cable tidying to do. Now, how many of you look under your desk or behind your desk and look at the cables and just grimace? Anyway, join me on this video when I tidy up my cables. Here we go, all the way fresh from China. This is my under desk cable tidy unit. So let's get this bad boy open, start making it, and see what it's actually like. Okay, let's start off with opening the box. I don't have a box parcel opener, just some trusty scissors. If you're not old enough to use scissors, then maybe you shouldn't actually be making an under the desk cable tidy unit. Maybe you're adventurous and do seek the advice and help of an adult, although most of us are big kids. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I think it was in between £8 and £15, so my expectations aren't very high, but let's take out what we got. Some bits. Let's unbox it all. A winning card. Apparently I've got a winning ticket. You're one of 10,000 who eligible to get a same product you bought as a prize. Right, brilliant English. Let's tip this out. That's obviously the cradle. The box can go in the bin. Right, so here's the instructions. Basically shows the table unit. I've gone for the clamp type because that can clamp at the back of my desk. And then obviously I can put the cradle cage, whatever they choose to call it, underneath, or you can put it on top, or you can put it reverse, however you want to do it. Mine's going to be underneath, hanging, because that's what I do. Right, do I need those? Probably. What do we got here? These look like cable ties to wrap around your cables. Let's get these elastic bands off, like so. I do tend to recycle all the packaging. It all goes in a recycling disposal unit at the property I'm at. That's obviously one. Oh yeah, that quality there. That's one of the clamps. This, I'm assuming, is clamp number 2, or maybe it's clamp number 1, and that's clamp number 2. But these will go like that at the back of my desk. That's. Do you know, I've got hundreds of these little tool sets. Some very small screws. Let's slot the cage out. Take a look. I chose the one that has the openings on the end. Can you see that? So the cables can run through there and this can all sit together. Anyway, let's put this together. Right, so in order to mount these onto here, I'm going to have to open a little bag of screws with bits and bolts in. Cut that open, pour that everywhere. Again, recycle that. And let's take a look at what we've got. Now these, I believe, bolt to the back of there like that. And I'm assuming the screws screw in through the back. Does it come with bolts? It does come with bolts. So you've got 5 screws because you've got 1 spare, and 5 bolts because you have 1 spare. Now what I'll do, being a good chap that I am, I'll put that together so I don't lose that in the future. And let's put these all together. So let's start off with putting some of the screws through. Well, they're more kind of like Allen bolts because they have a hex on them. But that literally slots through there like that. And on the other side, it's going to be hard to see because it's black. You actually, and my hands are going to be in the way. You mount the nut like that. Obviously you pinch it up with this, but in order to get it all started, I'm going to put the others in as well, just so the hole is located. Put that underneath there, like so. Just pinch it up. And obviously, there's quite a lot of free play in there. But I would do the other side as well. Let's put this over here, like so. And then just pinch this from underneath. And then the final one goes in. And again, I'm just hand tightening these at the minute, just so I can get it square and level, like so. So that's all on there, like that. I'll hang those down, and then will it stay? I can pinch them up. They should be lovely and straight. Now obviously you locate this free spanner on the back, and you don't need a torque wrench, literally. Just pinch them up. Like so, like that. So those bolts there, if I show you on this side, you literally place that on like so, and then tighten it from the other side, if you can hold on to it. Like I say, I'm not absolutely butchering these when I'm tightening them. I'm just pinching them like so. So that was the easiness of the construction. Now these bits, if you imagine where my table is going to be, these clamp up against, pinch it against the table. Now the table I've got quite wide. There's quite a lot of dust on this. The table that I've got is actually quite wide. So we're going to see whether these fit or not. Hopefully it will, but if not, I'm sure I'll be able to adapt a way of getting it to work. Like that. And then obviously, things like your power adapters, everything else, it's not massive, but it's just enough to get some of the cables out of the way. Right, so here we are under the desk. As you can see, there's lots of cables. I've got a spare computer case there that I'm just going to give away. It was given to me, but I don't need it. I've got my Xbox 360 power supply unit there. A lot of these are mouse and keyboard peripherals. And then obviously I've got my mixing desk that's plugged in. But this, if I can do it, is literally, and hopefully, gonna slot on to the desk like that. And these bits I will adjust and tighten up. You've got to bear with me that I'm actually upside down. Yeah, like a glove, as they say. Right, let's pinch these bits up, because these are the bits that actually secure it to the table. Like I say, they only need a rough tighten. Right, so there we go. The cage is underneath. As I've said, these are actually pinched up. They're not overly tightened. And all I have to do now is sort out these by dropping them in there. Here we go. Not much of a video, I know, but as you can see, I've still got some cable management to do. I may get some trunking to put under the desk, but the majority of the cables are free. I've got the cables into the cupboard to sort, but what it does is it just removes all the cabling, phone cable, from under the desk. Yeah, just creates a better environment for when I'm at home doing my studio stuff. Anyway, a very simple video. I'm going to see what my free gift was. That's the little cage I bought. It was only a couple of quid, as I said. A very simple fix. Just, you know, lets me put a power supply unit, a few cables through it, stuff like that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this very simple video, leave a like or a comment down below, and I will catch you in a future video.